Welcome to the North Carolina Wildlife Resources Commission's public shooting range. This range is one of several across the state, built to provide the public access to shooting sports and wildlife-associated recreation. Today, we're going to review range safety guidelines to ensure you have a safe and enjoyable shooting experience. When you arrive at the shooting complex, leave all firearms in your vehicle until you talk to a range safety officer, also known as an RSO. The RSO will get you registered and explain the facility rules and layout. After registering with the RSO, you can retrieve your cased firearm from your vehicle. Before entering any of the range areas, eye and ear protection is required. Before entering the shooting range, there are several safety commands you should know. Hot range, cold range, and cease fire.
Range is hot, range is hot.
When the range is hot, firearms may be handled or fired.
Range is cold, range is cold.
When the range is cold, firearms may not be handled or fired. If you hear cease fire,
Cease fire! Cease fire! Cease fire!
everyone must stop shooting immediately. You'll know if the range is hot or cold by these indicators. A red or blue light will be lit. The hot or cold sign will be visible. When can you enter and exit the range? You may only enter the range if the range is hot. When the range is hot, you may enter and report to your shooting bench, uncase or case your firearm at your shooting bench while always keeping your firearm pointed down range. Handle your firearm. Load your firearm. Shoot your firearm. The RSO will notify you when the range is about to go cold. Firearms need to be unloaded. Firearms must be placed on the bench or gun rack pointing in a safe direction. Everyone must move behind the blue line. No uncased firearms should be handled. No packing or unpacking cased firearms is allowed during a cold range. Once everyone is behind the blue line, the RSO will confirm the range is cold and give instructions.
All right, guys, the range is cold. You're good to go down range.
During a cold range, you may go downrange to set, check, or adjust targets.
Range is hot, range is hot.
When the range returns to hot, you may return to your bench and continue shooting, or case your firearms, clean your station, and exit the range. Now that you are familiar with our facility safety commands, let's review our range safety rules. These rules must be followed at all times. Treat every firearm as if it is loaded. Always keep the muzzle pointed in a safe direction. Keep your finger off the trigger until you are ready to shoot. Be sure of your target and what is beyond it. Wear closed-toed shoes at all times. For all other range rules, ask the RSO or find a range rules sign. Knowing the safety commands, proper procedures, and range safety rules are the first step in having a safe and enjoyable experience. As you visit the various Wildlife Commission shooting ranges, some locations may have additional facilities beyond a pistol or rifle range, such as target or 3D archery. A trap or skeet field, or 5-stand. An RSO will be available to assist you with additional information about these opportunities and review all range safety rules. Thank you for visiting this shooting range managed by the North Carolina Wildlife Resources Commission, where your next adventure awaits. For more information about Wildlife Commission shooting ranges, head to ncwildlife.org/shooting ranges.